this is just a quick update. I gotta put my tablet away. On what's going on. The John Deere drift thing, lost interest in it. Actually going to be selling the parts on Marketplace, Facebook. Just not really what I'm into. The only modifying stuff that I'm going to be doing besides modifying my Cub a little bit and actually just improving it a little bit, because I got 4 to 6 tractor pulls that I plan on doing this summer, and I'll be recording those also. I gotta get some better mounting hardware for my camera and stuff to mount cameras onto the tractor and whatnot like that. So, the only other thing is I have this yard machine that's got an 18, it's either 18 and a half or an 18 horse Briggs twin. It's something I actually gave to my nephew. It's a hydrostatic drive, so I figure I kind of do a little bit of recording. I'm not going to do a lot, but I'm going to just to post something just to keep my lawnmower people that are into lawnmower stuff, just kind of keep up to date on what's going on. I do have projects in mind. It's just a matter of doing them. If you watch my channel for the Pontiac G6 videos, I actually have either 2 or 3 videos coming. We'll be making them tomorrow and hopefully uploading all 3, but they'll be scheduled out over the next few weeks, so at least I think. That may change. So, but anyways, hang tight and I'll show you what I'm doing here. And I'm just basically cleaning the garage up because I'm going to have to work on my car tomorrow in the garage, because there's like a 65% or 66% chance of rain tomorrow. So, and I don't want to be out in the driveway working on it. So the garage floor gets a little wet, but I can deal with that versus, you know, downpour on top of me. So anyways, just hang tight and I'll show you guys what I do with my winch and how I move stuff and all that. And it's just something to give my viewers something. I can't remember your name. There's a particular kid that watches my channel. You message me on Facebook all the time. You ask me about if I was going to do any mower stuff. So, just this isn't much, but it's something, and we can talk more about what I'm going to be doing here in a couple weeks on the Cub and this yard machine and whatnot like that. I'm just getting caught up, so have to bear with me. So hang tight, and I'll be right back. Okay, so here we are again. When I need to move something, what I generally do is I will take my hook from my winch and I'll hook down here at this point. This tractor actually sets quite a bit higher, and it's got one of them things where you can release rear end, but for some reason it locks up in reverse. It drives fine when it's running, but it locks up in reverse. So I'm going to try it that way. I may have to hook a chain around the rear end. I don't know yet. We'll see. So hang tight and we'll see what happens. Oop, going the wrong way. That might work. Alright, so I'll cut back in here just a minute. Lowered the position of the hook just a little bit. Put this in gear so it won't roll on me. And we'll go from there. Alright, so it's kind of that easy. So what I'll do from here is I'll pull this out in the driveway and I'll get it positioned where I want it, and then I'll take the chain, wrap it around the front end, and from there I'll hook it from the front, because it's easier to steer going backwards than it is this way, because the front wheels want to go crazy. So, but yep. So anyways, yeah, that's, might as well, since I'm here, I'll go ahead and show you this tractor. So this is a I want to say it's like a 97, 98, maybe a 95 yard machine. Can't remember for sure. I've seen the year on it once, but I can't remember. It's actually an 18.5 horse twin Briggs, so it's actually a pretty powerful little engine. The main things I'm going to do to it, if I can get it running again, is I'm going to put a throttle on it so my nephew can kind of use it as a go-kart. I don't want it going real fast because he's young. He's only 10 years old, but he's real short for his age, so he can barely reach the pedals as it is. I may have to make an adapter that will fit the clutch and extend it to about right here, so that way he can actually push the clutch in, because it's hard for him to push it in. And that's with the seat all the way forward, he has trouble getting it. So, but yeah, anyways, so yeah, this is a yard machine. This actually belonged to somebody I knew up in the other town I used to live in, and he passed away, so it changed hands a few times, and then it somehow ended up being mine, and now it's my nephew. So, but yeah, I'll go ahead and show you how I'm going to pull this thing out, and we'll go from there. Alright, so here we go. Go ahead and get the club started up, and so we can get this moving. Alright, well, like I said, it's going to be a short video, so just kind of show you what's been going on with the cold weather and stuff. It's just hard to do anything. Of course, it's warming up now, thank God. There'll be some other build videos coming. If you look back into my, if you look through my playlist, there's something about a go-kart. That go-kart might be coming back. I will let you know for sure. I'm pretty sure it's going to come back, because that's really what my nephew wants, is a go-kart again. So, and that'd be fun because it's a two-seater, so all the kids can enjoy it. Other than that, smash that thumbs up. Smashing that thumbs up really helps get my channel out there, gets me views. Positive feedback down below in the comment section. Links to my social medias will also be down in the description. I do have a Patreon. I don't know if I'm going to be using it anymore because it's just not really going anywhere. It's not worth the headache. So that's up in the air right now. So I'm not worried about it because I fund all my own projects anyhow. Let's see. At the end of this video, you'll get a outro. It'll say thanks for watching. Comment whatever it says there at the end. There'll be a previous video and a video that YouTube picks out, so feel free to watch either one of those. And yeah, anyhow, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.